welcome to Faulkner Fixes All. This is the conclusion of repairing the Schwinn cruiser that used to be a 5-speed, and yeah, it's all here. Got a front brake, got the kickstand on. I'll show you the grisly details of that. I thought I'd spare the whole crunching the wrong kickstand and stuff. We'll save that for another day when we have a correct kickstand to put in, so you know how to do it the right way. So without further ado, I'll give you a little walk around and then we might even take a ride. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Schwinn emblem, front brake. That's the kickstand I'm talking about. Yeah, it's hard to make those cruiser stands. It's a varsity stand and you bend it, and you have to bend it just right, and it's kind of hard to deal with, but it does works fine. Got the Schwinn saddle from a Suburban. I decided to go with this chain guard because I don't have any other chain guard so that I want to give up. I have a really nice chain guard over here, I'll show you, but I don't think I'm going to put it on there. It's this one here. Yeah, that one would fit on there, but it's for a 50 Schwinn, and I'm just not going to give it up. Save that for an older bike, something I'll keep. Okay, so let's go take a ride. This should be interesting. I think I can do this. I better get the camera in the right hand. There we go. Well, I need the front brake though. Hang on. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, nice to have a front brake so you can hold your camera. Woohoo! Try to avoid our neighbors. That would have been funny. Okay, man, this thing rides good. Could use some more knobby-like tires, but it's not bad. Front brake works. Back brake works. Nice low gears. Yeah, we're doing good. See if we can turn around up here. Woo! I didn't say this was going to be easy. Okay, so thanks for tuning in, and this is the conclusion of the Schwinn cruiser repair. And we're doing pretty good. Rides like a dream.